How to hard reset Galaxy F70e 5G.
Step 1. Hold power button and volume down button together. When device turn off, release both button.
Step 2. Now hold power button with volume up button. When you see the Samsung logo, release power button, but keep holding the volume up button until you see the recovery mode.
Step 3. Now use volume down button and select wipe data option. Then press power button.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.